Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort like people's names from like A to Z. So you're just going to type this formula, the equal sign, sort. You're going to select these, and then can I hold on, let me try that again. Sort, and you're going to select like the names in the like cell, comma, and you're going to select it again. You're going to select it twice, and then comma, true, close parentheses, enter, and as you can see, it's going to sort the name from like A to Z. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.